Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 143. Nasdaq is up 20. Nasdaq is up 73. S&Ps are up 23. Percentage-wise, what we have out here, folks, is that you have the Dow up 0.5%, S&Ps up 0.7%, and the Nasdaq up almost 1 full percent, 0.9%. Gold contract trading. Where is she? What just happened here? Gold contract is trading down 1380, 1348 in the gold contract. Silver is going to get interesting here coming into the close. We get silver at 1738. I'd like to see that baby get into the 1745. Oil, light sweet oil, up 60 cents, trading $66.11. The notes, the 10-year note, down 11 ticks, 122.02. 30-year bond down 22, 148, 23. King dollar down 282 ticks, 88.945. The euro is trading at 124.25 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is out here at 108.75 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Let's go to the world of the NASDAQ futures. I want to show you something here. NQH8. So if we take a look at the NASDAQ futures, right now they are at 7,005. They're at a high. And what I'm going to show you here, this is what's pretty wild, is that these futures had a little tiny blip at basically 2 o'clock. And I mean a small blip. And that small blip had to do with Wynn Resorts, right? I'm going to go through Wynn in a second. But the key to wrap your head around here is that these things were so strong that they shook off Wynn intraday, going deep by $20. Wynn right now is down 11%. So picture this for a second. Wynn goes down 11%, which is a decent weighting inside the Index 100. I'm not sure what else took off topside at the same time, but guess what? Something did. Bottom line, inside the Index 100, what do you have? You have Intel up 9.5%, Maximum Integrated is up 6%, JD.com is up 6%, and you have Gilead up 5%. Taken away from it is Wynn. That's the leader on the way down. All day long it was Starbucks. Starbucks is down 4.6%. Regeneron is down 4.5%. And you got Hasbro down 4%. If we go over to Wynn, what you're going to see in Wynn here is that this equity intraday went from a price point of $201. Right now you're trading at $178. Monster volume, monster everything. And what this is all about, the Wall Street Journal came out at approximately 2:30, and let's see, where is this? Okay, so Wall Street Journal comes out, and let's see what this is the allegation. The allegation is that Wynn paid $7.5 million to settle claims brought by a former manicurist at his resort, who said that the executive pressured her to have sex with him. Let's see. Wynn pressured massage therapists to perform sex acts for $1,000 tips, and others at the spa created fictitious appointments to avoid contact with him. Now, that's the allegation. And then Wynn came back. He's in a nasty divorce too, folks. So Wynn came back in an emailed response to the Wall Street Journal, and his quote is, "The idea that I ever assaulted any woman is preposterous." And then his quote is, "This is continued work by my ex-wife, Elaine Wynn, with whom I am involved in a terrible and nasty lawsuit in which she is seeking a revised divorce settlement." Bottom line is that he's got troubles in paradise, man. This is coming off the high with volume. more so what I wanted to show you on that story was that with wind going down 11% intraday, the NASDAQ still wouldn't pull back. That's the point. Pretty amazing. Let's go to Jeff in West Palm Beach. Hey, Jeff, what's going on?
Hey, Tom. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing great, man. Yourself?
I'm doing good. Hey, looking at the Russell, and one more thing. Can we all throw in like a couple of bucks and maybe get you a new laptop so we can all see your screen?
I'm
not.
Yes. When I do, you can't see my screen right now.
No, I'm not seeing. I'm only seeing like half of it. I'm seeing like maybe it's my end because I don't know. Who knows? But I'm not seeing.
No, what does happen when I'm doing it out of this studio? What does happen? There's something. We do this out of the Tigers Den. I'll get it fixed. I'll get it fixed.
No, Tom. We'll throw you a couple bucks. How about everybody throws in a few bucks?
It's not a money deal, man. It's not a money deal. It's a technology deal.
I'm just kidding you, man. I'm just kidding you. Hey, the Russell. This is like fun. This is 300 up, 300 down all day long, huh?
It's, the Russell's weak. I mean, when the rest of these indices, man, don't want to move, meaning down, and the Russell bottom line is that, this baby, has movement, but each and every day, it seems that you just get pulled back a little.
I look at it as like weakness climbing kind of high, and I keep shorting it, and then covering. I'm just a onesies and twosies, so.
Yeah, no, listen, I've been trading it every day. I've been doing the same thing. I mean, I'm not laying overnight on it at all. But it seems like it's a gift when it opens up.
Right?
Yeah, I mean, when I wake up in the morning, I hope it's not down 50 bucks. I'm going into the weekend.
I'm thinking I'm going to throw everything at like 16.25 as a stop, Tom, which is just 2 or 3.
Yeah, you don't even have to give it that much, though.
A big takedown next week. What do you think?
I mean, you just don't know what day it's going to go, man. Right?
Okay,
you got to be in it to win it. That's the bottom line. Cooking, brother.
Thank you, Tom.
Have a great one, man. Have a safe one. Stay right there, folks. Coming right back. We get the Dow up 159, Nasdaq's up 75, S&P's up 26. Come right back.